Back to another video of Donut Lord 629, and today I will be driving our Craftsman lawnmower I've been talking about on post. Incredibly sorry I have not made any videos, but today we're gonna be making a video. So let me just give y'all a tour. Here's the motor, 20 Kohler Pro 22 horsepower V-twin. I know it says twin, but right there it says V-twin. So we recently got a new battery for it on the 24th or 24th, let's say 27th. Let's say we got it on the 27th, and we got a new belt for this thing. It's that right there. It's a brand new belt. And for anyone wondering what this is, it's a Craftsman GT 2002. And I'm pretty sure it's missing. You see this? And this is supposed to stay up. It doesn't stay up though. So I forgot what the name of the thing it needs. It's some sort of lever. But right now it's in low, so I'm not gonna be going very fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and back this thing up and get it running. Okay, let's get her. Oh, sorry guys, that's people working in the background. We have the deck off, and our plans with it is gonna be new seat cover. Actually, I have it in my post, so we're gonna add on to it, but I'm just gonna say in this video: new seat cover, underglow lights, new paint job, new wheels are painted. Wheels are painted, gonna be painted. New lights. Lights work, but we're just gonna go ahead and get new ones. And yeah, so it's gonna be a pretty neat beast. She ain't very fast, but as you can see, I'm gonna be so sorry if this thing runs out of gas in it. I don't got much gas in it, but the other one over there. So, yeah. We're just going to be cruising around, and I will tell you on board. We're going to put an exhaust stack. An exhaust stack the new paint job is gonna be black, and the wheels are either gonna be red or gold, but I'm probably gonna do red. Tomorrow I'll spray paint it, and we'll have to search up on the web to see how to make this thing get 4, 5, 6. All those gears instead of 1, 2, 3. But I'm about almost done with this drive. I'm almost done. And so, I will be riding this on the road in another video. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. When we get this thing set up and everything, we will. And I am going to drive up here. Okay. This ain't supposed to be a 6-speed, but we're getting back in. Okay, yeah, so that's the ride. And yeah, so if y'all forgot, I'm just showing y'all the motor again. Something tells me this lawnmower is gonna be on the channel a whole bunch. So yeah, so wheels are gonna be red. The body's gonna be black. Gotta get some new lights, but you might not be able to see. Yeah, y'all can see that. These might be good lights. We might end up replacing them though. But anyway, yeah. So there's gonna be a ton of modifications for this lawnmower, and we will be showing it off on the channel so much more. And again, I'm very sorry that I was not able to make any videos. I was gonna make one today when we were getting the belt on, but that would have been a lot. But this is Craftsman lawnmower. This actually belonged to my great grandpa in 2002. I have no idea what year he got it, but the mower's made in 2002. And we will be doing so much more with this. And I will see you all in the next video. See y'all later. Don't know where out.